Hello all and welcome to the session on how to download Python. So in this session we'll see how to download Python on our system. So initially just go to any web browser. So in this I've just opened up the Chrome web browser. So you can even use Mozilla Firefox. So it depends on your choice. You can take any web browser, and once you just get into the web browser, just click on the search and just type in python.org. So this is the official website of Python where we can download Python. So this is the official website of Python, as you could see. So as you just head over to the downloads tab, you can see that we have the recent release, which is the Python 3.9.6. Also, it is mentioned that the Python 3.9 Plus cannot be used on Windows 7 or earlier versions. So if you have Windows 7 or earlier versions of the operating systems, then you can just go to this and you can just choose the versions according to your choice and according to your operating system. So now in this case, I'm just gonna use this, which is Python 3.9.6. Whereas for this whole Python series, I would have used Python 3.7. You can even install the Python 3.7 too, because the installation is going to be the same for Python 3.9.6 as well as the Python 3.7. So you can just go ahead and install any one of these. And I'm just going to download this. So over here, as you just come over to the files section, so we have the version, the operating system, the description, MD5 sum, file size, and GPG. So let's just not worry about this Mac OS. So in this case we are concerned about Windows, either it's 32-bit or 64-bit. So in my case it's the 64-bit. So instead of downloading the embeddable package, I'm just gonna use the Windows installer 64-bit, as this is the recommended one by the Python. So I'm just gonna cancel this since I've already downloaded this. So as soon as it gets downloaded on your system, so you can use either of these options like install now or customize installation. So always ensure that you just click on this add Python 3.9 to path, and now you can just choose either of these. So you can, so in this case I'm just gonna let you know how to install this in a custom manner. So over here we have the documentation, so you can check this or uncheck this if you want the documentation or not. And these kind of modules you will see in my further lectures, and just ensure that you just check all of these, and the documentation is up to your choice. Now click on the next, and over here as default we have these three options checked, which are the associate files with Python, and create shortcuts for installed applications, and add Python to environment variables. So this is the recommended one by the Python itself. So I'm not gonna alter any of these. And if you want, you can just check these. So this is all regarding the custom installation. And rather giving this, I'm just gonna prefer this install now. And now it's gonna get installed in our system. It's gonna take a minute or two to complete it. So now we can see that the setup was successful. So once it's done, just click on close, and now just type in command prompt, and we have the command prompt over here. Over here just type in Python and press enter. So as you could see, we have the Python 3.9.6 over here, and this is gonna work. So let me just type in something like hello world. So as you could see, the Python works over here. And if you don't want to use this command prompt, you can always have another option, which is Python 3.9, as you could see. So even this is similar to that of the command prompt, whereas there is no need of typing in Python as we did in the command prompt before. So let me just type in hello world even over here, and let's see whether it works or not. So as you could see, it works. So this is how you'll install Python in your system. In the next lecture, we'll see how to install PyCharm and how things are done in Python. So thank you.